Hey, it's Michael, and today I want to show you the Anova Vacuum Sealer. This exact model is ANVS02-10. I've had this for a few months and it has been working very well. It's just your basic vacuum sealer machine. It's a lot less expensive than the name brand one that you probably are aware of. There's been a lot of debate over whether the Foodsaver bags will work in this machine, and I have nothing but success using Foodsaver bags. I won't be buying more Foodsaver bags because they're way more expensive than some of the generic ones out there. So let me roll out an amount that I'm going to need to vacuum seal my bread, and that should be plenty. Actually, that's probably a little too long. So I'm going to cut it. So there's a cutter right here. And now I need to seal that end, so I just slide it back down and push the bar down. That turns the machine on. Now we have several buttons on top. The vacuum and seal, that is just an automated process where it will seal and vacuum the bag. We don't want to do that now because I have nothing in the bag and I need to seal the one end. So right now I'm just going to push the seal the bag button. Now this takes 20 to 30 seconds. I never actually really timed it, but that seems like about what it takes. So maybe while I'm talking here it'll go off and we can tell. You have a moist and a dry. So when you're actually sucking out the air, you want to choose whether you've got moist ingredient in there or a dry ingredient. The moist just does a less aggressive job of vacuuming out the air. The dry does a more aggressive. Now you can also pulse vacuum, which is what I really like. And the pulse vacuum lets you just take out a little bit of air at a time. So if you have like a really wet ingredient in here, you can pulse it until you start seeing the liquid getting sucked out, and you want to stop pulsing before it gets all the way to the top. Otherwise you won't get a good seal if you have moisture in between the two layers. So this bag is sealed. Now what I like about this machine is it actually puts a double seal on the bag. So you really are, you're really given a good assurance that this bag is completely sealed. So I love that. So now I've got some bread here and I'm just going to put this in the bag. Now this bread obviously has a lot of air inside it, so I don't want to suck this out too much, but I just put it back down to the sealer. You want to have the top of the bag over the open part here, just in case there is liquid, it'll drain in there. We don't have to worry about the bread though. So close this up, push this down. Now I'm going to manually pulse the air out of here so that I can make sure it doesn't get too tight. I don't want to squash my bread. So that's about right. And then I push the seal button, and that noise you heard was just some air going back into the bag. Again, that'll take 15 to 20 seconds or so. And there we have it. And that's all there is to it. Foodsaver bags. They work just fine in this machine, so I don't know why people are having a problem with them, but I'm certainly not. So that's it. That's the Anova Vacuum Sealer. For me, it's just been fantastic. It works really well. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll catch you the next time.